You're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a times b. This is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. We have b times c. This is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 2. And c times a. This is equal to 3. Let's call this equation 3. So what is the value of a plus b plus c? Now, solution from here. Now, the first thing to do here, we will have a times b. That is a times b times b times c divided by, that is c times a. So that this is equal to, now you can simplify here. C and c simplifies, so this is the same thing as b squared, and this is equal to a times b, this is 1, b times c, this is 2, divided by c times a, which is 3. So essentially here, b squared, this is the same thing as 2 over 3. Let's proceed to the second part. The second case here, we'll have a times b times, we have a times b, that is ab times c times a divided by bc. So this will be equal to, we simplify here, so that now a squared is equal to, we have a times b, this is 1, multiplied by c times a, which is 3, divided by bc, which is 2. And this is equal to 3 over 2. So b squared, we have b squared and a squared. These are the two we have here. Now let's proceed to the third case. The third case here, we'll have bc times c times a divided by ab. And this is the same thing as, if you simplify here, we'll have c times c, this is c squared, and this is equal to bc, which is 2, times ca, which is 3, divided by ab, which is 1. So this is the same thing as 3 times 2, this is equal to 6. So we have a squared, b squared, and c squared. So now, from what we have here, a plus b plus c squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then plus 2 times a times b plus bc, then plus c times a. Now, from this equation we have here, we have a squared, which is 3 over 2. We have b squared, which is 2 over 3. And we have c squared, which is equal to 6. We also have ab, bc, and c times a. So let's substitute this. So a squared is 3 over 2 plus, we have b squared, which is 2 over 3, then plus c squared, which is 6, then plus 2 times a times b, that is ab, is equal to 1, plus bc, bc here is equal to 2, and c times a, this is the same thing as 3. So let's proceed here. This is 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 6, then plus, now this is 2 times, let's add everything in the bracket here. This is 1 plus 2, this is 3, 3 plus 3, this is 6. So here we'll have 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus, this is the same thing as 6 plus 2 times 6, this is 12. So here we'll have 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 12 plus 6, this is equal to 18. Now, the next step from here, this is now, we have a plus b plus c squared. So the next step from here, The LCM here is 2 times 3, this is equal to 6. The LCM is 6, so 6 divided by 2, this is 3. 3 times 3, this is 9, plus 6 divided by 3, this is 2. 2 times 2, this is 4. Then plus 6 divided by 1, okay? 6 divided by 1 is 6. Then 18, we will have here 18 multiplied by 6. So that now here we'll have 9 plus 4. This is 9 plus 4, which is actually equal to 13, plus 18 times 6. This is the same thing as 108. So we have 108 divided by 6. So 13 plus 108, we have 108 plus 13 here. So this is 11, 1. So we'll have 121. So this implies that a plus b plus c squared, this is the same thing as 121 divided by 6. So this is what is a plus b plus c squared. So this implies that to get the value of a plus b plus c, this will be equal to the square root of 121 divided by 6. And this is equal to square root of 121. This is actually in the form of square root of n into the bracket we have a divided by b, and this can be expressed as a to power 1 over n divided by b to power 1 over n. So here we'll have 11 divided by square root of 6. So here we have a plus b plus c squared. This is equal to 121 over 6. And therefore, a plus b plus c, this is equal to the square root of 121 divided by 6. And this is in the form of n square root of a over b, which you can express as a to power 1 over n divided by b to power 1 over n. So applying this property, then you will have a plus b plus c. This is equal to square root of 121. This is 11 divided by square root of 6. Now, we can rationalize here by multiplying the denominator by square root of 6 and also the numerator here by square root of 6. So in this case here, we find that square root of a times square root of a, this is the same thing as a. So applying this property, then here we'll have 11 square root of 6 divided by 6. And this is the solution. This is the solution for a plus b plus c for this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Please subscribe, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.